Gusto ko lang i-share itong isang article na nabasa natin from spin.ph. Published 2 hours ago lang guys, so mainit-init pa tong balita na to. And gusto ko lang bigyan ng credit and citation yung spin.ph Spin Zone article by Homer D. Sison. Okay, so ang title ng article, Japan B-League Kai Soto to be loaned by Hiroshima to another Japan B-League team. Okay, so for this one guys, Kai is expected to play for a new team as early as this weekend. Okay, so malapit na. So this weekend makikita natin uli maglaro si Kai Soto sa Japan B-League pa rin, pero asahan natin, wag na tayong magugulat kung sa ibang Japan B-League team natin siya makikitang maglaro uli. Okay, so Kai Soto and the Hiroshima Dragonflies are parting ways. Okay, multiple sources in the Japan B-League told me this morning. Okay, so si Homer D. Sison yung nagsasalita sa article na to. Soto's camp also confirmed the separation, but pending the finalization of the paperwork anytime today, Japanese time, the name of Kai's new destination is being withheld. Okay, so tandaan nyo guys yung recording ng video natin today, December 13, 2023, Wednesday, 10:21 AM Manila time. So ilang araw or linggo na lang makikita na natin uli maglaro to si Kai Soto. Okay, win-win situation for Kai Soto, Hiroshima. As his basketball journey continues, as Soto's reps believe that moving to another ball club will provide a better situation for the 7'4" Filipino center. Nursing a back injury, Soto hasn't played all this season in Japan. Okay, so ito guys, ang kinonsulta ni Kai Soto sa back injury niya, mga German doctors and several NBA physicians. Okay, so after niyang kumpletuhin lahat ng mga necessary test para pagalingin yung injury niya sa likod, pinayagan na siya uli mag-training. Okay, and then expected na siya maglaro uli by next weekend. Okay, Soto ends his stint with Hiroshima having played in 24 games last season, where he averaged 8.9 points, 6 rebounds, 1.3 assists, and then 1.2 blocks per game. His contract, which will be absorbed by his new team, expires at the conclusion of the 2023 to 2024 B-League season. Ayan. So ito yung talagang makatotohanan ng update tungkol kay Kai Soto, kung ano ba yung mga pwede natin i-expect sa basketball career ni Kai Soto. And guys, sobrang pasensya na kung paus yung boses ko ngayon. Regardless, kahit anong mangyari, gusto ko pa rin i-share sa inyo yung mga relevant updates when it comes to sports. Okay, so maraming salamat.